Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 4th August. And first of all, national news. A breath of life. Lanka President thanks India for providing aid amid crisis. Red alert withdrawn, orange alert issued in 11 Kerala districts for Thursday. Indigo announced Sweet 16 anniversary discount sale. As per the offer, flight tickets will start from 1616. PM Modi to lay foundation stone for projects worth 300 crore on Thursday. Over 150 crore unaccounted income found in tax raids at hospitals in Delhi, Haryana. Google removed over 1.11 lakh harmful content in June under new India at rules. US-India will work to advance free and open Indo-Pacific. White House, the US also congratulated the people of India on 75 years of independence and said its non-violent freedom struggle was an inspiration to the world. 9.55 lakh registered for recruitment in Navy under Agnipath scheme. And now some international news. Those who offend China will be punished, Beijing warned US and Taiwan raw. Ukraine used Western arms to attack nuclear power plant, claimed Russia. Volcano erupted near Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. Nancy Pelosi's visit to Taiwan should not be underestimated, Russia said. Rishi Sunak pledged to tackle UK's most significant terror threat. 27 China jets entered Taiwan's air defense zone after Nancy Pelosi's visit. UK Parliament closed its TikTok account over China concern. And now some sports news. Surya Kumar Yadav rose to second spot in ICC men's T20 international rankings. Historic win in Birmingham, PM Modi hailed India's Commonwealth Games gold in lawn bowls. Commonwealth Games 2022 weightlifter Purnima Pandey finished 6th, judoka Tulika to go for gold. BCCI announced dates for home T20 internationals versus Australia limited overs series versus South Africa. And now some news related to business. Sensex Nifty gain extended their winning streak to 6 days in a row. India now home to 75,000 startups. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. Global central banks lifted rates by nearly 1200 BPS in July. Swiggy launched Moonlighting policy. Employees can work for others too. Center blocked 348 apps identified by Home Ministry. Government withdrew data protection bill. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 3rd August, the temperature at the daytime will reach to 31 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.